Mechanics and Structure Connects Poles by Karen and Natalia Dover.
Goal and description. Our goal is to create a pulley that create mechanical advantages. Mechanics is the area of physics concerned with the effects of force and on physical bodies. Mechanics is divided into various areas such as statics and dynamics. Basically, dynamics can include everything from kicking a rock to a rocket launching into space.
There's pictures of the cooling line.
The fun part about the project, making a project was fun, and seeing how the clothesline system works.
What?
Concepts. They were how pulleys create mechanical advantages, how to calculate and measure the mechanical advantages of a pulley system, types of machines that are used, pulley systems.
Challenges. There wasn't any challenges really, unless you count the string being a little short, but that's it.
Challenges dealt. We just untied the string and retied it again to make it a little bigger.
Out of classroom, a clothesline is used to hang your clothes to dry. Some people still use it.